Dad. Yep. I can't believe it. Brookie remembered me. Good for you, honey. Can't you come over for food today? Sure. Can. Oh, mine and Bookie's boyfriends come too. Boyfriend? How fast? I don't know. Oh, whatever. Sure, they can come. Thank you, Daddy. I'll go call them. Oh, joy. More roast to feed. Starring. Dad, they said yes. They said they'd come in as soon as possible. Oh, joy. Dad, be more happier when they come. Okay, darling. Go touch your room first. Okay, Dad. Maybe dirty enough, but oh well. Orangey room is really a mess. Better tidy up so they come. My bear there. Oh, I should take these downstairs. Put them over there for now. Yeah, stop following me. Yeah. There we go. Oh, there. Better go get the door. Well, yeah, better go get the door. I'm gonna go get the door now, Dad. Oh, joy. Hey guys, you did come. You came. Come on in. Food's ready. I'm sharing with my BF, and Brookie, you're sharing with your BF. Awesome. Come on. You got in first. Yep. Hello, Mr. Foster. Hello, Brooke. Eat with me, baby. Dad, this is my BF, Frankie. Prisland. Hello, Frankie. Hello, Mr. Foster. And that's Stone, that's Brooke's boyfriend. Hello, Mr. Stone. last name is Bigman. Hello, Mr. Bigman. Just call me Stone, yo. By the way, yo, Miss Foster. Oh, eat up, kids. Done. Look at you. Let's walk out in my room. Okay, kids, I'm cleaning up. Bye, Dad. See ya. Bye, darling. Okay, it's time to clean up. Awesome room you have, Misty. Thanks, Brookie. What you really think about it, guys? Pretty. Hot for you? Young for cold. Thanks. Oh my god, look at the time. I gotta go to bed. School tomorrow. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see ya. See ya, baby. Come on, babe. Let's go. Coming. Bye, Missy. I'll see you at school tomorrow. Bye, Bookie. Bedtime. Tweety, how is she more popular than me? I just hate her. It's time for the operation. Tormentation. Now the operation tormentation. Yes, serious times call for serious measures. She's gonna wish she weren't so popular ever again. You're so devious, Chippy. I know. Come on, let's go to class. By the way, Miss Frankenstein is gonna give us attention again. You're right, we better go. I'm so gonna rule the school again. So what have we got next? As always, English, Miss Doe. Oh yeah, got it. Come on, let's go, guys. Where's the class? I'm here. Oh yeah, I'm in the wrong room. There you are. I'm your supply, Miss Frankenstein. Would you like any help getting to the new classroom we're supposed to be in? Yeah, whatever. Just follow me. Let's go. It's time for the operation. Tormentation. I hate saying that word all the time. Get used to it. You're going to be saying it a lot soon. Operation Tormentation. Operation Tormentation. Finally, I get it right. So, class, we've joined with two others. Chippy Chipperman and Tweety Birdington. Oh, no. They can do Operation Tormentation to Missy. But come on. I hope nothing goes bad. Okay, I'll take the register. Smith. Here, Miss Stone Bigman. Yep. Frankie Freshman. Yeah. Chippy Chipperman. Yeah, no, I'm always here. Tweety Bridgington, I'm here, as always. And Brooke, and Misty Goldberg. I'm here. Misty Goldberg. What a lame name. Huh. It's so gonna be delicious popcorn. What are you on about? Pink ugly, 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 ugly. Pink ugly, ugly. I'm just going to ignore her. Today we're going to be writing a poem. You have to choose one person in this classroom. So easy. Is it going to be me? No, it's going to be Misty, and she's going to have the worst poem photo ever. Well, I'm still doing mine on you. Whatever. Let's do ours on each other. Yeah. Similar. Look, let's do them by each other. Yay! Okay, who wants to go first? I will. And I guess, Brooke, you will go after. Okay. Let's start putting this onto the castle. Brooke is a waterfall. She'd never, ever let me down. Even when she's upset, she wouldn't even put on a frown. She is the best girl in the world. And not a piece of turd. But my girl Brookie, she means the world to me. And my fellow nerd. Whoa, good rhyme. Okay, Brooke. Ah, your turn. My boyfriend. He is the best one ever. He's the best person in the world who's a boy to me. Even better than my dad. He even lets me go on his iPad. Stone is the one for me. And I always beat him on my Nintendo Wii. Okay. Frankie, you wanna go? Sure. Miss Cohen is about Misty. Misty is amazing, even though she sounds like a bit of weather. She looks great with a hat, even when it's with a feather. Can't stop falling. She is the one for me, and she will never let me down. She is the one for me from up. She's there for me from my ups and my downs. I love you, baby. Hey, Tweety, you can go now. It's a poem about Kitty Kitterbird. Okay. She is a squirrel. She likes eating acorns. Her name is Chippy Chipperman. My name is Tweety Bridgington. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, that's a good poem. Misty, do you want to turn? Sure, I'll have a turn. This poem is about Frankie. Frankie Fresherland. boy in my heart. He won't even care if my dog makes a fart. I know this is a weird line, and just a way to save time, but I love Frankie Freshland, and he loves me. Thousands of worlds ago, I loved him in my heart. Now he's just a way I appear together. I'm gonna be together forever. Oh, I love you for that, babe. Thanks. Okay, last one left is Chippy. Come on, Chippy. This poem is also about Misty Goldberg. It's all about me, but not about me. Oh. Don't worry, Cookie. You'll be okay. Misty Goldberg is a pile of poo. She is pink and so ugly. Everyone hates her. They just fake being her friends. Misty is just trying to be a bitch. I hate her, I hate her, I hate her. And everyone else does too. OMG, that is so bad. Why'd you have to say that, Chippy? Operation Tormentation has begun. OMG. Why? I hate my life. OMG, Misty! Whoa. Detention, Twiggy. Why? Because you failed to do a terrible pun. OMG! Class dismissed. OMG, OMG, are you okay? No. She's doing any bit of that. We all love you and like you. Whoa, she is so cold. OMG, but Misty, you should go. No, tell your father or something, or the head. I know, I should. Will you come with me? Sure. OMG, there's a new head now. I wonder who it is. Come in. Dad? You're the new head? Yeah. OMG, Miss Foster, you're the new head. Cool. Yeah. Why have you come to see me, darling? Chippy, give her a minute. Chippy, don't let me. You're making me so upset. She's just such a bully. Okay, I'll sort this out for you. Don't worry. Chippy, young man, to the principal's office, please. How was the ball? OMG, I wonder what he wants. Yeah? Well, yes, Principal? What do you want? Have you been mean to Miss? Have you been mean to Misty? No. Yes, you have. You said I was ugly and I was a bitch and everything like that. You have been expelled. Well, suspended for 6 weeks. Okay, whatever. Thank you. Thanks, Dad. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. School's over. Bye.